What's up, guys? This is DCUO here, coming to you with another loadout video.
Yeah, I find you.
I recently switched to nature like a week ago, and I just decided to make a nature loadout. I think it's pretty good, personally. It's real lost. I out DPS'd a lot of people in Nexus and Paradox with this loadout, and I'm proud of it, to be honest. Alright, let's get started. Powers. You go to plants. Get Lion Lash. Well, 4 down the middle. Lion Lash, Savage Growth, Harvest, Swarm, Thorn Shield, Wire, and then Plant Thorn. So that's 3 on the right, 3 on the left, 4 down the middle. Shape-shifting, get Roar, Pterodactyl, Form, Insectoid Form, and Hide. That's what I got, but I don't really use Hide. It's just like red, extra slashing. Then you get Primal Wolf. That's what I use. I got Edge Slice.
3,000.
Then I got Weapon Experience and Tactical.
No, that's how much power I have.
And your loadout is going to be Lion Lash, Fire, Swarm, Harvest, Phase Dodge, and then Plant Thorns.
It is.
So yeah, let's go. Alright, yo, give me POC. Alright, this is the loadout.
I think probably the hardest thing to do.
Yeah, well, this sounds kind of Clip, Swarm, with Phase Dodge. That's the slow way. This is how it's gonna look. Well, I can't show you right now. Then after that, I just alright, this is how it looks when you clip it. When you clip Swarm with Phase Dodge. There you go right there. You do that. That's Swarm and Phase Dodge. I mean, Fire and Phase Dodge. And then you do Lion Lash and Karmic Hex or whatever you got for your consumable. I think it's Karmic Hex, Daisy or something. Let me go to another.
There's no more, they're all taken.
Oh, they are all taken. Dang. And then, yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks together. That's basically how it looks. It does, I mean, amazing amount of damage. It's like crazy.
I need to group along with him so my power can be 500 or something.
It's really, like, it's crazy, like, how the damage is with this freaking power. Like, I know nature was beast, but I didn't know it was going to be that good. And, you guys might not hit as hard as me, but, like, lower levels. So if you're nature and like, well, I'm just telling you this because like when I was a lower level, when I was nature, it wasn't that good. But when you're higher, when you're like 99 CR with over 1,000 might, it's pretty good. Right now my might is sitting at 3,151. So that does pretty amazing damage. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you my loadout close up real quick. I got you guys. So that's what it's looking like. Lion Lash, Briar, what is it? Can't think right now. Is it Swarm? Yeah, Swarm. Harvest, Phase Dodge.
That's cool. It does some nice thing even though I don't even touch him.
So yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick one. Just watch my thing. Watch my loadout. I know I'm a bad commentator, but it's okay. Swarm, clip it with this. That's basically it.
You drop down your supply drop?
My supply drop on 2 now. Well, yeah, that's basically it. And stay tuned for more videos. DCUO here signing out. Peace.